Hey peeps, welcome back to my channel. My name is Drusilla Shay, if you don't know already. And today we're going to be talking wigs, okay? Specifically a headband wig that I have been rocking for the last couple weeks, and I think that you guys may be interested in it. Now, before I really get started, I just wanted to let you guys know that this is a pre-tied head wrap. So I heard about this from Miss Naturally Mary. Shout outs to her. And if you guys are interested in this, I will definitely link it down below. It comes in a whole bunch of different colors and patterns, so definitely check that out. So let's get into this wig game. I'm really excited about this wig because it looks very natural. About 5 people have already asked me, is this your hair? Like, did you cut your hair? Because it's a short wig. Now this is a Bobbi Boss headband wig, and the name of it is called Wilhona. Here is the stock card for it. I got this wig in a natural color. It's actually a little bit shorter than what's shown in this picture on me, but hey, we move. This is my first official headband wig. I've been rocking a lot of half wigs, but this is the first time I've ever bought a wig that has a built-in headband in it. So here is how it looks. This is actually 100% unprocessed human hair, and so it definitely feels real. It looks really real. This is how my hair would usually look if I were to get it blown out, and so that's why a lot of people have been asking me, like, is this your real hair or did you cut your hair? Actually, only one person knew that this was a headband wig because she's on game with wigs, okay? Like, she can spot a wig from a mile away, but everybody else was asking me, did I cut my hair? So they were convinced. I feel like this is the perfect summer wig, right? Because it's hot outside. You don't really want hair in your face. You don't want hair, you know, really touching your shoulders. So it's nice and short. It's not getting in the way. And again, this is a headband wig, so it's really convenient. You don't have to worry about leave out. You don't have to worry about blending. And that's one of the pain points with, you know, wigs sometimes that require leave out, is like you have to worry about still making sure that your natural hair is on point and matching with the wig. But with this one, you honestly don't. And so I love that for me, okay? And I love that for you guys who are also into headband wigs. Now, I am gonna put this on for you guys to see, but I also wanted to show you guys what I'm working with under this head wrap, okay? Don't judge, okay? We know that sometimes under these wigs, y'all, it'd be looking a little interesting, but it's nothing crazy, you know. Right now I have my wig cap on, so it looks nice and flat. But underneath, I just have some, you know, skinny braids because I didn't feel like doing cornrows. And so I decided to just do some braids, and it helps get my hair nice and flat anyway. So it works out for me. And then I just like use some edge control and just brush back the front of my hair so that it is a little bit more slicked down for when I put my wig on. Oh my goodness, where are my manners? Hold on. This has one comb in the back, and it has 2 combs in the front. And it also has this adjustable band if you're interested in, you know, adjusting that as well. So now I'm gonna put it on. Guys, when I have first put this wig on, I was like, what in the world? Did I make a big mistake? But the funny thing about wigs is, like, when you first put it on, it always looks so wild. But you just gotta finesse. So I like when the hair is sitting all the way back here, because then it looks flatter and it looks less wiggy. And now I'm gonna comb it so that it looks really, really natural and put together. Y'all not gonna tell me this wig is not cute. Like, what? And I also love this for the summer because usually I don't do straight styles in the summer because, you know, it's humid and it's gonna frizz up, it's gonna puff up, and then it will be pointless to have straight hair. But with a wig, honey, let me tell you something. It started drizzling the other day. I didn't flinch. I didn't grab an umbrella because I had a wig on. So I knew that my hair was not gonna start, you know, frizzing up and getting all types of really puffy, like how my natural hair normally does. So that felt really nice, okay? It felt really carefree, that I really didn't even have to consider the weather when it came to my hair. This is a almost $53 wig, and I decided to pull the trigger and buy it. This would be, I would say, one of the most expensive wigs that I've bought, because I usually buy synthetic wigs that are on the more cheap side, but I decided to pull the trigger and buy this one because I have been eyeing it for months. I just really love the style of it, and I also have been switching out the headband. This package did come with an additional headband, which is this bandana headband, which I think is so cute. I've already worn a few times, so I'm going to show you guys how this looks. But I've also purchased some additional headbands that I use to just switch up my style, because this obviously doesn't go with everything, and this also looks more on the sporty side, so it doesn't go with my dressier looking outfits. So I'm going to show you guys some of the headbands that I've also purchased from Amazon. It is such a cute casual headband situation, and it goes with a lot of my, you know, neutral streetwear type looks, so I love that. I am now going to show you guys some of the headbands I bought from Amazon. All right, y'all, so this is one of the packs of headbands that I bought from Amazon. These are not everybody's taste, but if you're into the almost like royal headbands where they are more like 3D, then you'll like this. This also is more on the sparkly side, so definitely way more dressy. This one is navy blue, but it does come in other colors. It comes in black, it comes in this beige like color, it comes in this green color, and it also comes multicolor as well. So I love that, because if you have an outfit with a lot of different colors in it, you can also use this as well. So this is definitely something that I think is worthwhile. It's pretty good quality, and I think that this just adds a way more dressy look to the headband wig, so it doesn't look as casual, and it was really affordable on Amazon for all like 5 of them. I think it was like $20 something, which I think is really good for a headband like this. Let me bring it in closer so you guys can see, you know, what kind of quality I'm talking about. If you're into that, of course, check the links down below. But I didn't just stop there. I have a whole bag. It just comes with a lot of different designs. Let me just show you guys one of them. So here's one. All of them have like this tie in the front, so this part actually goes up at the top, and it has this elastic part at the back, which is great. So boom, we have another headband here. All of these headbands have a lot of different designs going on, but just know that Amazon has a bunch of different options. So if you're not looking for something that has, you know, patterns and designs on it, if you want something more plain, they definitely have those as well. So go ahead and check them out. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you are interested in finding out about more of my hairstyles, and I always switch it up. Let me know what kind of hair content you want to see from me next, and any type of content you want to see from me actually. With that being said, please make sure that you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. You've made it this far into the video. Don't leave your girl hanging, okay? Please go ahead and also press that bell notification button so that anytime I post, you will be up to date. And with that being said, God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Deuces.